Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking at the Range Hood 30-inch under cabinet, a sleek, high-performance kitchen hood designed to make your cooking space cleaner, fresher, and quieter. Whether you're a home chef or just want a more comfortable cooking experience, this Range Hood promises to deliver. Let's explore what makes it a standout choice for your kitchen. First up, let's talk about its powerful performance. With a 980 CFM motor, this Range Hood clears smoke, odors, and grease like a pro. It's capable of refreshing a 180 square foot kitchen in just 90 seconds, making it perfect for handling heavy-duty cooking sessions. Whether you're grilling indoors or deep frying, it keeps the air clean and breathable. The motor also has enhanced sealing, improving its durability and efficiency, so you can count on it for the long haul. What's really impressive is the gesture sensing control panel. It's upgraded with 25% more precise detection, so it responds quickly and accurately to your hand movements. This is perfect when your hands are messy while cooking. The touch-sensitive interface is easy to use and features 3 adjustable speed settings, giving you full control over the ventilation. Plus, it's designed to reduce accidental triggers, so operation is always smooth and hassle-free. Noise can be a big issue with Range Hoods, but not with this one. It's surprisingly quiet, starting as low as 35 decibels A at low speeds and staying under 65 decibels A even at maximum power. You can enjoy a peaceful cooking experience without loud distractions. Thanks to its improved ductwork system, airflow noise is minimized while delivering strong, consistent ventilation. Whether you have a small kitchen or a busy one, this Range Hood blends power and quietness seamlessly. Another great thing about this Range Hood is how easy it is to get started. The package comes with all the installation hardware you need, along with clear instructions to make setup simple. And if you ever need replacements for accessories like filters or lights, they're provided free of charge. Plus, their responsive customer service team is always ready to help with any questions or concerns. Overall, the Range Hood 30-inch under cabinet is an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen. With its powerful suction, quiet operation, and user-friendly features, it's a game-changer for cooking comfort. What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more detailed reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.